Hi, today we're going to see how to create a radial blur effect in Photopea. So now I will need to duplicate this layer, so right click, duplicate layer. And now I'm going to blur this layer, so go to filter, blur, and then select Gaussian blur. Now I'm going to move the window here. And now I'm going to increase the blur. So for example, I will increase it to this amount. So I'm going to increase to 50, press OK. And now I will add the raster mask to this layer here, to the blurred layer. So click on this icon here, add the raster mask. And now I'm going to invert this raster mask here. So now hold the control key and then I. So here it is. Now it's showing our layer under it. And now I just need, for example, to paint on the raster mask here with white, or add the gradient with white to reveal my blurred layer. So now I'm going to add the gradient to it. Select the gradient tool. Now select the foreground to background gradient. And now I need to change the direction to radial. And now I just need to change here, make sure the foreground is black and the background is white. So here it changed our, and make sure also to select the radial direction for the gradient. And now I will start the gradient from her face and then drag. Make sure you're on the raster mask. So here it is. Now, for example, if you made a mistake, hold the control key and then press Z to undo. Start your gradient again. Make sure you're on the raster mask. And now let's do it again, for example, here. So here it is. And now I'm just going to merge down. Right click on the top layer and then select merge down. So here it is. That's how you can create a radial blur effect in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.